Okay, so now we have what's called definite integration. So this is where we're integrating some equation with x in it, so it's called a function of x with respect to x, and it's between these two limits. So there are two numbers, okay, so a and b are numbers. A is the smaller number, b is the bigger number. Okay, so we're just going to do one example of this. It's fairly straightforward. So we're integrating between 1 and 4, and it's 12x squared plus 4x minus 2, and we're integrating that with respect to x. So the first thing we're going to do is integrate it. Now again, be careful with the notation here. Whenever we integrate, it changes to square brackets for definite integration. So we've got 12x, add 1 to the index, divide by the new index. Add 1 to the index, divide by the new index. That becomes minus 2x, and we'll put in the plus c. And the limits move then to the right hand side. Okay, so it's really important that you get your notation correct. And then we're going to cancel that down a wee bit. So we have 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x plus c. Okay, now to put the limits in, we put the top limit in. So wherever we see x, you're going to replace it with 4. Then we put the bottom limit in, so wherever we see x, you're going to replace it with 1. And we take the two things away. So we have 4 times 4 cubed plus 2 times 4 squared. This is putting 4 in. Minus 2 times 4 plus c. And then we're going to take away putting 1 in. So 4 times 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus c. Now hopefully you can see here that we'll have a plus c and then we'll have a minus c. That will happen every time, so you don't need to put in the plus c whenever we're doing definite integration. Okay, so we can just leave it out because they cancel each other. So if you had plus 10 here, then you'd have minus 10 here. So plus c, minus c, we don't need to worry about it. So we've got 4 times 64 plus 2 times 16 minus 8. And we have minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 in the second bit. So this first bracket, when you work it all out, you get 280. The second bracket, when you work it out, we get 4. So take them away and we get 276.